Jim Gordon murdered his mother. Jim Gordon murdered his mother. Harrison's affair with Ringo Starr's wife was the last straw for Boyd. Duane Allman died in a motorcycle accident. Duane Allman died in a motorcycle accident. Drug use tore Derek and the Dominos apart. Drug use tore Derek and the Dominos apart. After Clapton's album flopped, he went on a 3-year heroin binge. After Clapton's album flopped, he went on a 3-year heroin binge. Jim Gordon might have ripped off that piano melody. Harrison and Clapton shared romantic partners. Harrison and Clapton shared romantic partners.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.